Am aici lângă mine echipa de fotbal american Reșița Locomotives. Echipa își dă foarte mult interesul și încearcă să dea tot ce poate pe teren. Din câte vedeți, vremea nu prea ține cu noi, dar totuși ei fac antrenamente ca să poată să ajungă în final și să fie foarte bine pregătiți.
Dragi prijatelji, evo sezona američkog fudbala u Srbiji je završena, međutim u susednim zemljama se igra i na jesen. Ja sam konkretno danas u Rumuniji, u mestu Rešica, a glavni povod zašto sam ovde je Bojan Kovačević, koji je bio glavni trener našeg vice šampiona u ovoj sezoni Banat Bullsa. Pa da čujemo od Bojana. Bojane, otkud ti ovde, koji povod, verovatno si angažovan u nekom klubu, pa malo bliže o tome.
Pa evo Zabune, ja sam ovde već svoju 3. godinu, ovde sam od 2019. godine kada sam jednostavno počeo da pomažem ovoj ekipi više nego da je zapravo, da kažem, vodim kao trener. Putovao sam iz Srbije ovde par puta nedeljno u nekim periodima i tako se ostvarila neka saradnjica i poznanstvo ovde sa ovom ekipom, momcima odavde i njihovim predsjednikom kluba Raulom Silađijem. Oni prošle godine nisu igrali, za razliku od nas u Srbiji koji smo igrali touch futbal 7-7, a sada su oni ovu godinu ipak odlučili da odigraju, ali su zapravo sa prolećnog dela prebacili sezonu na jesenji deo. I evo, sezona počinje narednog vikenda. Naša prva utakmica će biti 5. septembra u Bukureštu.
Rekao si mi da se ekipa i dosta pojačala ove godine, ima i importe, pa su verovatno, s obzirom na to, i ambicije mnogo veće.
Jeste, nema šta. Iako je neke ekipe, ja sam stekao takav utisak da gledaju na ovu sezonu čisto na nešto, s obzirom da je bila korona i pandemija, da se čisto nešto odigra. Međutim, ja sam pre nego što sam došao ovde seo zajedno, napravio sam jedan sastanak sa Raulom, predsjednikom kluba, i mi smo se dogovorili da zapravo u ovome vidimo našu šansu da napravimo jednu odskočnu dasku što se tiče ove naše organizacije, Rešice Lokomotive, jer zapravo ova ekipa postoji već nekih 10 godina, ali je duži niz godina bila zagašena. Oni su se reoformili pre 3 godine, tačnije te 2019. kada sam ja počeo sa njima da sarađujem, i sada smo videli ovde jednu šansu da napravimo jednu odskočnu dasku, da napravimo jedan dobar rezultat. Trenutno su ovde 3 američka igrača, quarterback, linebacker i jedan momak koji može da igra both ways, znači safety i running back. Posle drugog kola će nam se priključiti i još jedan momak koji može da igra na poziciji defanzivnog beka i wide receivera. On je trenutno u Nemačkoj, igra GFL 2, drugu diviziju Nemačku, a tu je i moj dragi dugogodišnji igrač i drugar Nikola Vuksanović iz moje ekipe iz Banat Bullsa. Tako da pravilo lige je da može da se registruje 5 nerumunskih igrača, nevezano je da li su Amerikanci ili bilo koje druge nacionalnosti, ali u jednom trenutku mogu da budu na terenu trojica. Tako da se otvara šansa da se tu prave raznorazne kombinacije i da se zapravo ta pojačanja daju baš dobar onako impakt na našu igru.
Evo, to je bio uvodni razgovor sa Bojanom, kasnije prelazimo na teren da vidimo to kako praktično i na terenu izgleda.
Reșița is a small town which is situated in west of Romania. It is a city full of history because we have several things here. For example, we have in Reșița was the first field with grass, and also I can say that we have the biggest fountain in Romania. If you go in Reșița, you could also see the Locomotives Museum, which is unique in the country, and also we have in the museum we have the first locomotive which was built in Romania. In 2012, a group of people, a very small group of people, were thinking to start a new team in Reșița, and it's a team of American football. And because of the unique museum we have in the town, they were just thinking that they should call themselves Reșița Locomotives. Îl am aici alături de mine pe Vlad, care este unul dintre cei mai vechi jucători ai echipei Reșița Locomotives. Vlad, aș vrea să-mi spui puțin despre tine și de când te-ai alăturat acestei echipe.
Sunt wide receiver la Reșița Locomotives, sunt de 7 ani la echipa aceasta, mai exact din 2014. Am jucat pentru Reșița timp de 5 ani de zile, 2 ani am petrecut la Timișoara și 1 an în Vârșeț. Ce pot să zic? Îmi place ceea ce fac, îmi place echipa asta, aștept ca toată lumea să vină la acest sport. Eu, în primul rând, pe mine m-a atras de mic acest sport de când urmăream la Eurosport, erau meciurile de colegiu, un sport aparte față de celelalte, de-aia și îmi place foarte mult.
Deci nu cred că este altă echipă în oraș, în afară de voi, de fotbal american?
Nu, numai noi suntem de fotbal american, mai este una în Timișoara, mai este una în Cluj, mai este una în Mureș și 2 în București.
Poți să-mi spui, te rog, am înțeles că începeți campionatul acum, săptămâna viitoare. Îmi spui, te rog, ce așteptări ai tu de la acest campionat?
Nu așteptări pe mari datorită pandemiei care ne-a oprit 1 an de zile. În rest, nu știu ce să zic. Să sperăm că vom face un an foarte bun și că vom ajunge în finală. Asta este principalul nostru obiectiv, să ajungem în finală. De acolo vom vedea ce se va întâmpla.
Deci să înțeleg că ești optimist.
Da, sunt cel mai optimist posibil.
Bine, mulțumesc frumos! I have here with me Kevin. He is one of our players, and I would like to ask you some questions. Could you please tell me why did you came to Romania?
I came to Romania just because it was a great opportunity. I love the game of football. Wanted to continue my career in playing the sport. And when a coach reached out to me about this opportunity and being able to also help coach up players that are interested in the sport I love, so I thought it was great for my life, and so I decided to come.
Nice. Can you please tell me what's your first impression about this team?
About this team, I think they got heart. It's important for a team to have heart, especially if you want to go all the way, and that's a great foundation to have. They work hard, and I'm a hard-working person. I love to push people, and so I'm happy to be a part of a team that already has that as a foundation.
And I have one more question. Would you please tell me what are your expectations from this season?
Expectations, definitely a championship run. I believe we could do it. The short time I've been here so far, I wasn't here through all camp, but working with the players and everything, I believe that we can do it. Like I said, we work hard, we have heart, and we have the drive and ambition. So anything less of a championship is a failed season, but I'm gonna give it my all, and I know these guys will too.
Okay, great. So as you can see, as the other colleagues, they are really optimistic. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
L-am aici alături de mine pe Cătălin, care este unul dintre cei mai vechi membri ai echipei de fotbal american. Aș vrea să-mi spui, te rog frumos, dacă poți câteva cuvinte despre tine, de când te-ai alăturat echipei.
Sunt Cătălin, mi se mai spune și Micuțu, am 39 de ani. Sunt la echipă de când am început cu Raul, prima, cred că cu vreo 8-9 ani, ceva de genul.
Deci ești unul dintre fondatorii echipei, să înțeleg.
Să zicem că și fondator, dar nu îmi place să mi se spună fondator, pentru că sunt un simplu jucător. Da. Cam atâta despre mine, altceva.
Spune-mi, te rog, am înțeles că începeți campionatul.
Da, weekendul viitor.
Da. Unde o să aveți primul meci?
La București cu Bucharest Titans, o echipă nouă înființată, din câte știu eu. Să sperăm. Vrem să câștigăm meciul ca să începem cu dreptul și să avem șanse la ceea ce ne-am propus anul ăsta, să câștigăm campionatul.
Câte meciuri aveți? L-aveți pe acesta de săptămâna viitoare și cam câte mai aveți?
Mai avem 3 acasă în ordine: Cluj, Mureș și Rebels, Bucarest cu toate, că în fine. Și mai avem un deplasare la Timișoara.
Am înțeles. Bine, mulțumesc frumos, mult succes! Ceau, ceau! Ronaldo Tomasello. Hello. Could you please tell me some words about you?
I'm from Indianapolis, Indiana, USA. I'm playing runner back and safety. I came out here to change the game here. This city needs to change, and they need to know a new sport, and we have American football here, and we're ready to change the game.
Okay. Could you please tell me what are your expectations from this season?
Our expectations is to win. Win every month, win every game, go into playoffs, win the championship as well. We're here for a culture change. We're definitely a winning organization this season.
So you are confident that you will win this season?
Definitely.
Okay,
Definitely.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I have here Bojan, which is the coach of Reșița Locomotives. I know that it's not your first time when you are here. Could you please tell me why are you, I don't know, just keep coming here?
Because they call me. I'm joking. I'm joking. Okay. Okay. So yes, I really love to work with this team. I really love this organization and this city. It reminds me of my home city, that hometown Pančevo, because it's not too big. I love the places like that, and also I have a great friendly relationship with Raul, the manager of the team, and I just love the guys, and I really feel that we started building something 3 years ago when I came here first time. And I really love to see how I can help this team and also organization grow step by step. And I think that we are until now doing pretty good job, and I hope we continue in that direction.
Okay, thank you. Could you please also tell me what are your expectations for the first game you will have and also for the championship?
Well, for the first game is the next weekend. We play against Bucharest Titans. That's a rookie team for 11 on 11 football in Romania. And honestly, I don't know what can we actually expect out of that team because it's their first season. But considering that we are having very good American players who came playing for us, and which is also even more important that a lot of Romanian guys are practicing very good and progressing very good this season. Honestly, I expect to win out of that game, and if it doesn't happen, that would be a really big disappointment. About the season, the goal for the team is to win the championship, which is not easy. I think it's not impossible, but it's not easy. Rebels are a very strong team and really a team to beat. Also, Timișoara is a very good team. The Cluj Crusaders is a very good team. Those are the teams who beat us last season before the pandemic. So we have to give our best to beat them this year and maybe try to win it. That would be a goal. But expectations, my personal, and I believe that if we work hard and we practice hard and we fight hard on the game days, that we can reach the finals. And when we reach the finals, we will see what happened there. That would be expectation, and below finals, I think it would be disappointment.
So, as the other players, you are really optimistic for this year.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Because we really made the great moves off the fields. We brought very good American players. We also brought my dear player and friend Nikola Vuksanovic from Serbia. He will help us too. And also Romanian guys practicing really hard, progressing very well. And we really look good. We really good at this point. And I'm sure that we will look even better during the season.
Okay, thank you. Then fingers crossed.
Thank
and
you.
let's
Thank
hope
you.
we will win.
I just want to say, please,
Yes.
I want to say thank you to my dear friend, Mr. Dragan Zabunovic, who came here today all the way from Serbia. He helped Serbian football for years. He helped growing Serbian football, and now here he's helping us here too. So, hvala Dragane, hvala što si došao, hvala što si nam pomogao danas.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, this with me right next to my left is Billy Hatton. Did I say it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. From Texas, USA. Billy is our third import, playing linebacker for the position this year, and honestly, spontaneously took over of defensive coordinator, which he's doing a pretty well job with it. Billy, this is not you are not first time in Europe. You have already experience playing here in Europe. So where and how?
I started, my first team I ever played was in Hungary, actually. In Europe, I got in contact with the coach via Euro players, and they signed me to play actually defensive end, and I've been playing in Hungary for the past 3 years actually.
3 years. So what you did last season in Hungary?
Last year, I played outside backer in defensive line actually, and played for the Division I Sambate Crushers there, and I was also kind of the coach there too. So coming here is kind of a good transition to help me better coaching and playing.
That's awesome. So please tell me how is the defensive side of the ball progressing right now?
Honestly, I've seen a lot of progression since the first day I got here till now. A lot of people are getting the plays down right. They're buying into what you're saying, and they're listening to what everyone else is saying. Imports Ronaldo is helping free safeties, DBs, and outside backers. So they're buying in. They're starting to learn. They're excited to learn, which is also a good thing. Is when you want to actually learn, you will learn and get better. So hopefully we can continue that.
Yes, I totally agree. And some expectations of the first game next week against MG week. So what can you think of? What can you say about that?
For First game expectations for me, coming from the U.S. and coming up here and seeing how everyone is, I have really high expectations for defense. I think we respond well together and stuff. We play good together. We complement each other. I would say hopefully hold them under 2 touchdown game, hopefully, and 3-4 turnovers, and hopefully we can do that next week.
And hopefully get that W.
Oh yeah, that's always the most important thing coming to the game. Always trying to get that W for not just the team, but the town and the people who support us.
Okay.
Next week is the first game. Do your best to be ready. Take care of your body. Eat well. Drink water. Be away if it's a bad weather. Be safe. Don't get sick. And that's it. We go to get the first win. The season is starting next week. Let's be honest.